This is the cheapest Rubik's Cube ever. It cost me only 50 cents for this cube. You have to be 6 years old to buy this cube, so if you are a baby, you cannot buy this cube.
Now when you turn into babies, you stay baby!
The cube is very shine and the color is very bright, but I don't like the color very well. I am very disappointed with my first turn of this cube because it is very rough and not smooth for a Rubik's cube. This is the size comparison with the RS3M and the Gen 356 RS. Both of the cubes are almost have the same size, but this cube is 1mm bigger than the RS3M and the Gen 356 RS. The cube is very rough and not suitable for a speed cuber. What you can expect from the 50 cents cube? This cube has no corner cutting. You have to make sure all the layers are fully aligned before you turn this cube. This is my first solve of this cube. This cube is terrible. I cannot imagine what happened if Philip Zemdek used this cube in all his competitions. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.